Double up if I lose, I don't like to lose. I'm clutching the tool for sure. Let's go. No breaking the rules. If he play with the rules, he must be a fool.
What's good, YouTube? Clocking back in with another video. I want to thank everyone for subbing up last video. We just hit 693 on the road to 700, and today we are currently looking at a new project. I'm not sure what year this is, but it's a T-top standard Camaro. Says it runs and drives, just needs a driver and some tags, some paint. Came over here so you could look at my dunk. I think the dunk maybe has bad timing or a cross wire, but we already checked the wire. I'm sure it does need timing. So, but I'm not sure if y'all heard me last video, but last video I did say I am looking for one of these. Mug looks good. Got a look like 78 Impala right here. I used to have one of these. If you go back on my channel and look, you'll see my 1979 Impala I sold. It was primered, had American Racing muscle wheels, 305 all original, drove all the way back from Dallas. Stock car, nothing. I never even did a tune-up on it, but I was just coming to show y'all this car and see what y'all thought. I'll tune back in here in a minute.
Hurry up. Hurry up. The rest of that pop is the rockers.
It's the rockers.
The rest of that pop is the rockers. See what we got.
We still have emotion. We still in the hood, them shows. Still have emotion. Still have emotion. We still get it in the hood with the bin. Just me and my soul. Still got my niggas who locked in the pen. My big cut of jokes and off a Motorola. My niggas got life, but he rockin' and rollin'. He play with my bro, we gon' strike it, we bowlin'. Bitch, I'm from the J where it get a little colder. I'm hanging with niggas who be a little older. I be with the niggas who be a little wild, but we still up to fall even blind. We ain't tryna hear it. Addressing attention, make one wrong move and the whole gang slide. We ain't finna sweat it, you ain't finna listen. If you in the city, just know we gon' find. In the hell can't do it 1/3, we glide. So hot, dirty, damn, no drop.
Take part of my fence down on the back, cut the poles and everything. The poles that goes part right there?
Yeah.
I had to cut them fuckers out, take the fence down, just to get my old school out. But my son's got this shit in the fucking way. Alright. Sorry.
Alright. Make sure you got the key to it.
Whoa. It's off. It should be off. Start it. That time it is off.
Got no arc like that?
Start. Don't worry about that, dude. Start it up. Timing is off. See where I got the number one sitting right here is kind of pointing this way. This number one, that motherfucker should be pointing straight to number one over here. It should be like right there.
We gotta take the whole distributor out and redo it.
Number should be like right there. 'Cause I'm way back here.
Yeah, all the way. No more turning room.
Okay, start it up again.
Vacuum advance hitting over there, man.
Yeah, vacuum advance is here. Start. Timing is off. Timing is off. The distributor is off.
What's good? Clocking back in with, y'all already know who this is. But no, we back at El Tropico. George just finished messing with my car. Said he's gonna come back tomorrow and fix it. I'm about to go in here and get the same thing I always get. But, let's see. Yeah. What are you about to get? Oh, you just gonna get the drink? Oh, that's how you want. I think I'm gonna get the same thing. Maybe I should ask Ty if he wanted. But. Oh no. I don't know. Should I get something different?
Yeah, I'm gonna say probably.
That? Yeah. Or let me see. Maybe I should get this. I don't know. I stay in El Tropico. I literally live here. I need a sponsorship, something. Free ad from it.
No, for real.
I stay
But you
in
know
El
they
Tropico.
really good.
No, it is. That's what I'm saying. That watermelon with the tahini is actually good. Oh, you don't get it? Oh, that's what I'll be getting. It's called Three Milks in English. I forgot how to say it in Spanish. But no, I think I'm gonna get the same thing. You just want a drink?
Yeah.
What is it called? Oh, can I get the granola and strawberry with no coconut? Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, but George is coming to fix my car tomorrow. I do need to start getting different shit when I come in here. This dude named George fixing my other.
That one playing. That one.
Which one?
You said the one that bullshit.
No. He's done. But y'all tune back in after I finish this because I'm low-key running out of storage. But look, it's already done. Hold on. Maybe I should just leave it.
What happened?
Entertain the vlog. What you got to say?
You know what, y'all? Live life.
Live life to the fullest. Have fun.
And mind your business.
Oh, big on that. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this strawberry.
For sure.
With like
Yeah.